had that little boy and another little boy, and the other one was dead. But that was a good month and a half that she was trying to have him.
Dad, have you looked at Mouse lately?
I looked at her this morning.
I'm looking at her now.
Well, I meant.
She looked alright. We'll go on that.
Because last night you could see part of the sack coming out when she pushed. And it was a clear sack to Dad.
Well, if that's the case, you may be having trouble with it. You may have to help her.
And that little one standing up there by her
Mm-hmm.
belongs to this one over here. That was her first baby. And she had her just easy as could be.
I like that hay trough you made.
I bought that.
Oh, I thought you made it.
I couldn't make it since I bought it.
Mm-hmm.
An orphan was selling that.
Mm-hmm.
I bought them. Give $30 for that one.
Mm-hmm.
We got one over here just like it. I give $16 for it.
Has anybody fed Polly today? Dad?
I doubt it.
Where you going, buddy?
Oh, here, I'll be right back.
6 of them, man. Come out of there, Bill. Come out of there. Come on. Come on here. Is there one laying down out there somewhere?
I don't see any.
Come on here.
Must be inside that building. All Billy's.
Don't hurt him.
What you doing, huh?
Not as tame as he used to be.
What you doing, Bill? They lost weight?
Don't pick him up.
Yeah, they get wilder and you don't pet them every day.
Dad, look at Peggy Sue.
What's that?
You want to top that hay bale?
It's hard to believe that one I just had is young.
Buddy, what's it? I'm farting out here. Be good. Be a good boy. Really? Testing.
Oh, God.
How many babies you got all together?
We've got, we've got 17 babies left.
I think so.
We've got 6. We've got probably 19 babies, other babies left
Yeah.
right now. And then we've got some of the last two babies. And they're still babies. That little redhead over there,
Mm-hmm.
she ain't, what is she, 8 months old?
Which one?
Blossom. Her and that white one I shot is
Alright, we
June.
can't get that fish boat, 'cause I don't feel comfortable.
June baby. That white one going around that way,
Mm-hmm.
and that one right there squatted down peeing is June baby last year. And then the others are all this one are baby.
Maggie, down!
Daddy, look at my hand, dude.
You ain't touching me.
Kathleen. Kathleen,
Taco!
come on.
Stinky old thing.
Dad's home too.
Well, say something.
What's up?
You gonna jump up and down and do flips? Don't break your neck.
You're gonna fall.
Better be careful.
Get the picture of you.
You got the picture
I
of
already got it.
Okay, stand on the right.
You're gonna fall.
Okay, take it, take it, take it.
I already did.
Like this.
It's taking the whole thing. You're on videotape.
It's not just a picture.
It's not just a camera, it's a video camera.
bottle I had up there.
Them dogs pretty much stay right here in the fence, huh?
Yeah, pretty much. That little one gets out and goes out spraying.
They don't ever get close to that wire.
He'll go through it sometimes.
Does it still shock him?
Yeah.
That's a big old bottle. He drink that whole thing at one time?
No.
That's about half of it.
She's one of the people.
Well, come on,
You
Polly.
want to reach over that hot pan?
No, feed her in there because there's an electric
Go over,
fence right here.
go over and sit down on the end of one of them pipes. Let her come up and feed us. Yeah, that's how it works.
Hey, nigga, don't get shot.
Yeah.
Savage. That's Polly. Polly.
Polly.
me.
Uh-oh.
What?
You better.
Brownie and Kathleen.
Ah,
No, that's not what I was talking about. Look at Tina. She's swimming.
they don't really is
There's little Billies.
them little tiny ones. I don't think they'll be they, but about 2 months old.
Okay.
That little black-headed one, that little. Of course, we could take them. If we keep him in, we take him away from her. Leave the little nanny with her a while.
Tina, what are you trying to do?
Because they're not going to grow.
Hey, Tina's eating Polly's ear.
They're not going to grow like them others did for some reason.
You done?
I don't know.
Try
What,
the little daddy. If it's the daddy that was running with them,
Polly, you done?
Hey, it's running with them.
that's pregnant.
Shell hers with
Tina, I know you want some.
little one.
Polly, you
but
done?
see, we've got
Here, Tina.
1, 2, 3. I've got
You big old
I've got-
baby.
Becky and Sarah
Look at this big old baby right here.
and Kathleen. That's 100% out here. That's mine. I guess it's 400% nannies always out there. Kathleen, Sarah, Becky, and Jolene. And then I've got 2 88%.
Kathleen, you might get your butt whooped if you mess with Star.
Tina, this girl almost broke all the bones.
And then I've got this one that he's just feeding us 88%, this baby. And I've got 94% nanny over there, and 94% Billy and 100% Billy. Joel said this morning he thought he was going to go ahead and keep his goats.
Well, he didn't keep one. He already sold it.
But I'd say we could pretty well, 25th, we're going to turn Kathleen in, and she was bred immediately. So we can go from, should be able to tell from 5 months from today,
Yep.
be close.
It's a Massey Ferguson 65.
Yeah.
Dieselmatic.
Yeah, I got that. I got a full-type bush hog. A breaking plow. Well, she was pushing last night.
Well, that goat's ready to have her. Sissy, hi.
Yeah.
We probably won't do these. Is there anyone under 20, the youngest father?
Joe's open. About 2 months, that's all. I said,
The oldest woman. Do we have anybody 70? Anybody else?
I feel much better now. Good Lord. I'm talking to the wrong person. I need to feel
Okay, for the farthest.
You? And how many in your group?
Count them.
There's you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11.
11?
Oh,
You sure?
it's 14 altogether.
Okay, 14. Did we are 17?
And now set it down.
Okay, that's over here.
31.
Ain't that neat? That's too cool.
And we also haven't done the largest family yet, so I need to do that one.
How'd you do that?
Every hit and every play into your rotation today.
Fighting Championship took over the world, so what better way to relive this explosive 12 months than by viewing the best fights and fighters of the year on the UFC's Best of 2007 DVD. This collector's edition 2-disc set contains 4 hours of high-impact action featuring UFC superstars from world champions Matt Serra and Quentin Rampage Jackson to legends Chuck Liddell and Vanderlei Silva. In widescreen enhanced format, the UFC's Best of 2007 is now available on UFCstore.com.
This segment is brought to you by Monster Flies. Feed the beast. The following evening, Tom Nelson and Wolf Creek's own Tom Nichols return to the same stand to see what else might stroll into this hot bait. Since Nelson has filled his tag, he is behind the camera and Nichols has his bow. After only a brief wait, the bear of a lifetime silently slips in from the brush.
Just leave me alone. I'm sleeping. Yep.
That's the day to get that light off. Bring it up.
She slept the whole time. Are you the daddy?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, I do.
look.
First pitch, he's done away.
Yeah, I know, but I'm gonna get player on.
That's why the whole play. He's going up with it.
Oh, man. That's hard on me.
Hard on you.
Do this once a year.
I'm sure if you have your place set up practice every day.
I ain't got nobody to go with.
Sick, dude. Get you.
I'm on a rock.
What?
Junior! Get back down there! I have to behave. They're chasing him. What time is it?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock?
Sissy,
Alyssa!
Hannah, turn around and look. I'll take you a picture. You're gonna be two good-looking girls when they get older. Let's fight the boys off of them. In a minute. What she do? Lick it?
It's right there.
Grandma,
Hmm.
I found a shell.
I know you did.
Come over here and find some.
Otis.
We need to get us a little boat like that.
I'd love to have one like that. Go fishing in it, anything, you know that? I like the deep water.
Mama, I want to be myself.
Sissy! Sissy!
Look at
Look at
Grandpa.
Pawpaw!
Smile,
You're
April.
gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah! Hmm? You didn't fall down, did you? Where?
I heard that. No, I'm not wet and dancing.
I thought you just mean.
BYOB.
Bring your own boyfriend.
You may come give you a shove, Crystal.
No, I'm freezing. Nice and I took her way out there to the log earlier, and Rose was like, April said you could do that. I was like, I don't know, she didn't stop me. Crystal, I found another shell. Mama! Yes,
Little baby throwing rocks. Look at that little baby. Her throwing rocks.
Got you on videotape.
Gifting rocks, not throwing them. I thought you were talking about Hannah and Karen until I heard you say throwing rocks.
Oh. Her don't like that. She don't like that, does she?
Hey, you gonna hit somebody? Careful.
Desi. Desi. No.
Don't. You're gonna hurt somebody. Dig a hole and set in it.
Little fish.
Yeah, there's a bunch of little fish out there.
Do I need to stop by and get some more pull-ups for her? Or?
But we can't record the damage, it's pretty freaking bad. Let me tell you. What's up? Yeah, we got all the animals in the house, so. David out. Tell us what happened, Jimmy.
Flooded, we got into the house. We got up on the roof for a little while.
Pretty crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Darn. A little bit. Go-kart. Water line right there. Be good. No fence. Nowhere. Hold on. To die? Yep. Can't drive. Shaking his head at his trucks. Jimmy! Can't drive. It's going like 3 miles an hour. Oh my gosh. Come here.